Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code on Macy's. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, as you can see, I've opened up my web browser and I'm head on over to Macy's.com. And now for this demonstration, I'm just going to click onto men's. I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to click on jeans and pants. I'm going to click on these jeans here. Choose my size. Alright, and now I'm going to click this add to bag. And now from here, what you want to do is click on view bag, because this is where you can add in your promo code. So as you can see, I'm inside my bag. I've got two products at the moment. And so you'll see enter promo code on the right hand side. You've got a limit one offer per order. So put in your promo code here, click apply, and whatever that promo code amounts to will be deducted to your total here. So if your promo code is for $50, your subtotal will be 125.09, and then after that click on proceed to checkout to put in your credit card, PayPal, etc. details to continue with your purchase.